Cut. This is not Trokopolsky Radio. This is Disney Channel. Alright, let's try take 2. Cut. No more Swyat Wedlug Keepskitch. This is not Swyat Wedlug Keepskitch, this is Phineas and Ferb. Okay, take 3. No, cut. This is not TV PhD, this is Disney Channel. Let's try again with take number 4. Cut. This is not CNN. Take 5. Cut. Stop with the Swyat Wedlug Keepskitch. Let's go to take 6. Cut. The frozen is not supposed to be freezing. Also, you're not supposed to use twice special. Take 7. Cut. This is not Polsat Sport. This is Disney Channel. This is a logo, not a sport. Okay, let's fix the final take. If you screwed for every time up, we are done until 13 years. Anyways, time to do for the last time, take number 8.
Yeah. Oh my god, tomorrow will be 30 years. Oh my god, come back tomorrow.